What's up guys, and welcome to Coupon Club. My name's Laura, and in today's video I'm going to take you into CVS and show you the best deals that you can find for under $1 each. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. The first deal we're going to get into this week is on the Colgate Total Advanced Toothpaste. And you want to make sure to pick up the box, which is 3.4 ounces. This is on sale for $3.49, and if you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. On top of this, there's a 50-cent off coupon in the CVS app and a 75-cent off coupon available at Colgate.com. After these two coupons, your subtotal would be just $2.24. Plus, you're going to be getting a $2 extra buck in return, making the final cost just 24 cents. So this is a really quick and easy way to pick up some toothpaste for under a quarter, guys. Next on our list is the Softsoap Hand Soap 11.25 ounce. You want to pick up two of these because they are on a promotion for buy one get one 50% off, and if you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck. On top of this, there's a 50-cent off printable coupon available at softsoap.com, so you want to print this coupon out twice, one for each of the soft soaps you're going to be picking up. So after this promotion and these coupons, your subtotal will be $4.24. Plus, you're going to be getting a $3 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1.24 or 62 cents each.
Oh yeah!
Moving on, now we're going to pick up some Speedstick deodorants, and you want to pick up two of these. They are on sale this week for two for $6, and if you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck. On top of this, there's a 50-cent off printable coupon on Speedstick.com. So you want to print that coupon out twice, one for each of the deodorants we're going to be picking up, and you'll only be paying $5 out of pocket, plus be getting a $3 extra buck in return, making these $2 or just $1 each. And keep in mind, guys, I'm going to link all the printable coupons mentioned in this deal in the description box down below. Alright guys, if you're still with me, now we're going to be picking up some shampoo and conditioner. You want to pick up one L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and one of their conditioners. These are on sale, two for $8, and when you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck. There's also a coupon available in the CVS app for $3 off when you buy two. On top of this, there's a 50-cent off coupon for shampoo in the CVS app and a 50-cent off coupon for conditioner again in the CVS app. So with all these coupons, your subtotal will come to just $4, and remember, we're going to be getting a $3 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1 or 50 cents each. So this is a really great way to pick up some super cheap shampoo and conditioner. This next deal is on their Garnier face masks, but I want to advise everybody to use this deal with caution because the face masks are excluded from this deal in the ad. But if you go to CVS.com, it's showing that these are included, as you can see on the screenshot that I provided. So just be aware, and before you do this deal, make sure that it's still showing on CVS.com, because if it's not showing on CVS.com, that means it's no longer valid. Anyways, some Garnier products are on a promotion where if you buy two, you receive a $5 extra buck, and these specific face masks are priced at $3.19. So when you buy two, that'll bring your subtotal to $6.38. But you'll be receiving a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1.38 or only 69 cents each. And again, guys, if you want to do this deal, before you check out at the register, just go on the CVS app and check that these are still going to give a $5 extra buck reward. Because like I said, these are listed as excluded from this deal in the CVS ad, but according to CVS.com, they are included. So just be careful with this one, everyone, because it may not last. There's one more freebie this week where you guys can pick up 3 Hallmark cards for absolutely free. In order to be able to do this deal, you need to go to CVS.com and type coupons in the search bar, and then change the category to flowers and gifts. Here there will be one coupon available for $3 off of 3 Hallmark cards. Use this coupon to pick up 3 Hallmark cards priced at 99 cents and get them for completely free. Now you will actually be able to print this coupon up to 4 times. You can print it twice when you're logged into your CVS account, and then you want to log out of your CVS account and print it another 2 times, making this up to 12 Hallmark cards, which you can get for free just in time for the holidays. Anyone looking for some new nail polish, I got a deal for you right here. The Pap-arazi nail polish are on a promotion for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra buck reward, making the final cost for 2 of these just $1 or 50 cents each. Our last deal is going to be on the Arizona iced teas, which who doesn't like Arizona iced teas? So these are on sale, 4 for $2, making them just 50 cents each. Simple as that. So if you love some Arizonas, you can head out to CVS and grab 4 for just $2. Alright guys, those are all the deals that we had this week at CVS for under $1. Let me know what your favorite deal was in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.